In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert the beta symbol into your document quickly and effortlessly. Whether you're working on a scientific paper, a technical document, or just need to use the beta symbol for any reason, this guide will simplify the process for you. So, let's dive right into it. First, you'll want to place your cursor exactly where you want the beta symbol to appear in your document. This step is crucial as it ensures that the symbol lands precisely in the right spot without needing any repositioning later on. It's a small detail, but it saves time and effort, especially if you're working with a document that requires several mathematical symbols throughout. Once your cursor is in place, direct your attention to the top of your screen where you'll find the navigation bar. Here, you'll want to click on the Insert tab. This tab is a treasure trove of options for adding all sorts of elements to your document, from pictures and tables to symbols and equations. Within the Insert tab, look for the Symbol feature. Depending on your version of the software, this can sometimes appear as an icon or simply the word Symbol. Click on it, and you will see a small menu drop down. What you're looking for is an option labeled More Symbols, which you should click. This will open up the symbol dialog box. Now that the symbol dialog box is open, you're going to need to adjust a setting to make the beta symbol easier to find. Do you see the drop-down menu labeled Subset? Click on this and look through the list to find Greek and Coptic. Selecting this option organizes the symbols by category, and since the beta symbol is part of the Greek alphabet, this is where it will be located. As you scroll through the Greek and Coptic subset, keep an eye out for our target symbol, the beta, which looks like a curved B. Once you spot it, double-click on the beta symbol. This action will automatically insert it into your document where your cursor is placed. It's efficient and ensures that you don't accidentally replace any existing text. After you've inserted the beta symbol, go ahead and click the Close button in the dialog box. This will exit the symbol dialog, bringing you back to your document to admire your work. It's rather satisfying to know that with just a few clicks, you've successfully incorporated a crucial symbol without disrupting your writing flow. And there you have it, a straightforward method to insert the beta symbol into your text. Remember, this technique isn't just limited to the beta symbol. You can use it to explore a multitude of symbols available in the dialog box, expanding your document's versatility. Thanks for following along, and now you're all set to put this knowledge to use in whatever project you're tackling next.